All right, I'm going to show you how this, what they call whole room air circulation system, which is the Vornado, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it does come with this remote control here, and so we're just going to go ahead and pull it out, and to use it, you got to pull this little tab here. So let's pull that out. Now we don't have to even touch this. We can go ahead and start it by pressing the middle. Watch, there it goes. And we can go up, we can go down by pressing here. See that? We can go up by pressing here. We can do time here, right? See it clicking? So you got a number of different settings you can do. 6, 7, 8. I guess that's it. I think that's it. And then when we turn it back on, it just goes to the regular setting. And we can go higher by clicking this. We can go lower by clicking this. So if you want to do the timing thing, like here, anyway, if you look on top here, let me show you. This has all the same things. Here's the power button. That's the up button here. That's the down button there. And this is the time here. All right. So you can change it. Now the cool thing about this is, look, you can do it like this. If you want to just blow straight up, you want to blow the air all the way up, you can do it that way. Or you can get it right back to, this position here. It's what we have it on. So that's how that works right there. So to turn it off, I just click there. Now if I want to use the manual controls, let me show you. I would come here, I would press this button. That turns it on. If I want to go low, I go like that, right? So you can see over here. If I want to go high, I go like that. I mean, it really gets up there. Now, if I want to do the time thing, I could click that. There's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if this is broken or what, but that's the way it's doing it on here. Now, if I want to get out of this mode, I just got to go like that and then turn it back on again. And you can see it's right to the fan mode, which is this area here. And that's basically how it works. I mean, it works really well. Check it out. I'll blow it right into the camera. Watch this. We'll turn it all the way up. Oh, we got it all the way up. Let's go down. All right, that's the low setting. Now let's go up. You can hear it. Wow, that really kicks in, doesn't it? All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this so you can see what it's doing to my hair and how strong this is. I'm about three or 4 feet away right now. Like here it is right here, look. There it is, and this is my hair, look at this. I mean, that's pretty strong, right? I mean, it's definitely, you can see it like blowing my shirt. There she is right there. Check it out. Killer. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.